Be blessed by the divine. Don't listen to negative people. Look, I come from India. I come from a Hindu background. In our tradition in India, we have been told from very young age to watch the pictures of saints, gurus, rishis, self-realized souls. We used to have pictures of such people around in our house. We were told to listen to their speeches, read their books, memorize the mantras or chantings or verses from such saintly people of the past. Why? Look, your mind has no shape, no form, no color. It acquires the characteristic of the things that it imagines or it often thinks. When we focus our mind on our Guru, such as our Guru Yogiraj Shri Vedatri Maharishi, we acquire his characteristics in us. It will take time. It's not going to be a miracle. It's not going to happen overnight. But as we meditate on his word, his pictures, his thoughts, his ideas, his philosophies, and practice his methods of simplified kundalini yoga, do our exercises regularly, do kayakalpa yoga regularly, and teach and meditate and introspect, go to silent, subtle levels of frequency, often meditate on his picture, we begin to think like him. Because the mind is like rain. As it falls on the ground, it acquires the characteristic of the soil that it touches. And is ready to be trained. If you listen to the negative people, you will develop negative thinking. So today, question yourself, question every person who you come across. Ask yourself whether this person is negative or positive. How do you know? Ask yourself if the thought that they put in your mind, will it cause hurt, pain for you or others, now or in the future, physically or mentally? If the thought they instigate in you is a sinful thought, a pain-giving thought, then that person is a negative person. Stay away from such people. Do not go anywhere near them. May our God and Guru guide you to become positive and acquire positive relationships and positive people all around you at all times. Good luck. Be blessed.